Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is week 3 of the November check-in and the dates are going to be running from the 14th through the 20th. Now before we get started, make sure you go and like and subscribe down below. Let me know if you have a channel because I am more than willing to go and support you guys. Also, absolutely love doing budgeting videos and I also love watching budgeting videos or grocery hauls or anything on that sort. But just be sure to subscribe down below and like so I will know if y'all like these videos and I will continue to make them. Also, I am using the Erin Condren 8x5x11. The Deluxe planner is the biggest planner and the link will be down below if you want to go and purchase your first Erin Condren planner. And if you do, I think your first purchase you get $10 off. So that is a really, really sweet deal. And I believe I get $5 or $10 also if you use my referral link down below. I am not encouraging y'all to go and use my referral. Y'all are more than welcome to sign up and do your own thing. But I just wanted to mention that. Also, my strip stickers or bill due stickers, I am using Simply Cami. She is linked down below also. She's a really good friend of mine and she is amazing. And you should go and check out her videos and her Etsy shop and her Instagram. All that will be linked down below also. Alright, so the 14th through the 20th, we are going to do something a little bit different. Usually I go date by date, but to save time, I'm going to fill in all my no spend days first. So I actually have 4 no spend days. So I have one on the 14th. I have one on the 18th, the 19th, and I have one on the 20th. So I have 4 no spend days. So that is pretty awesome. Usually on the Thursdays, I don't spend anything. And then on my late days, I usually don't spend anything either. So that is where the 4 no spends came from. Alright, so first off, let's flip and let's get to the 15th. So the 15th, I drug my friend. Well, I took her to the doctor's and then I took her to Florida, which is about an hour or so away, depending on which way you go. And I made her come with me because I needed to go to Alyssa's, which is an antique shop. And they do auctions and everything. And I won an auction. So I spent $39. And it was like wedding stuff. It was like a wedding planner, towels, like this little kit. It had like bride and groom advice. It had a bunch of magazines and everything. So that was pretty cool. So I got that for $39. Plus for letting my friend go with me and everything. She was really hungry. And she also needed some... What did she need? Some setting spray for her makeup because she didn't have any. So I went to Walmart for her and I bought her like a little cup of pineapples. I bought 2 so for me and her to eat or snack on the way to Florida. So that was $6. And then the makeup, well, the makeup was also, so the total was $6 with the pineapple and the makeup. So $39 plus 6 equals to $45 is how much we spent at Alyssa's and for food and everything. So I'm going to place that right there. And that is actually everything that we spent on the 15th. Moving on the 16th, as always on Saturdays, we usually go grocery shopping. We always go get gas and everything. So gas was $20 that we spent. And then for groceries, we went to Walmart. I'm going to put this in the middle because I have to explain something in a minute. So groceries was $23. And then, as you know, I have been saving up money from my leftover grocery funds and put it in a separate little envelope for Thanksgiving for food and everything. So I did buy some stuff. I bought like the turkey pan and I bought pie crust and stuff to make like a homemade pecan pie because I've never made one. And I am going to be in charge of dessert and the turkey. So I'm just going to write Thanksgiving. their Thanksgiving food. So I only had $15 and I spent all $15. So we're just going to put that right there, but we won't put it in our actual like check-in for this part. We won't do that. All right. So that is, nope, that's not it. So my mom was down in town also, and we went to Walgreens. And Walgreens had a deal, you know, I love going couponing and everything. So Walgreens had a deal for tissue, and they had their Ziploc bags. So it was like buy one, you get two free. So I spent $9 in there, which is fine for me because I love Walgreens. Let's see. So that is everything that I spent on the 16th. Moving along to the 17th, which is our last one. So I bought something on Amazon. It was a Christmas present for my, we do Dirty Santa or Secret Santa on Jared's family side with just the siblings. And I got his sister's husband or boyfriend. So I got him something from Amazon, and he's not going to watch this, but it was like a whiskey set. I can't say it right. But I got him that, and that was $30. So we're going to take that out of the sinking funds. And then I got a gift card for one of my coworkers, and she's having a baby, and her registry is at Bye Bye Baby. And when you buy the Bye Bye Baby gift card, you can actually use it at Bed Bath & Beyond also. So I got her a $25 gift card. So $30 for the whiskey set and $25 for the gift card. And that was $55 that I spent for the Christmas set. Now, granted, I did have to use my debit card for Amazon, but I put the rest in my, what's it called? Back into my bank. So I just took that money out and put it back in my bank. Alright, so then the last thing is on my cushion, and I sold some items on eBay. I sold a couple of Harry Potter things that I got in like some subscription boxes that I had. So on eBay, so I had to pay for my shipping label and everything, and the total for those two was $6. And those are shipped, and the money that I received, the total was like $13.01, so I'm going to put that actually in my wedding fund. So I'm actually going to be having a new sinking fund. Hopefully I can make it soon, hopefully by next week. And that is going to have my wedding 2021 wedding envelope, so that would be fun. Alright, you guys, so that is our check-in right here. As you can see, I did not spend a lot, so I'm really proud of myself. Now we're going to move along to the check-in and fill all of this out. All right, let's see. So we're just going to fill all this out. So out to eat is automatically going to have 0 because I have 0. Alright. Alright, so we're going to check this. So for groceries was $23. And that was out of 100. And then gas, we spent $20, well, equals to $40. Fun money was, how much did I spend for fun money again? 39 plus 6 plus 9 equals to $54. Out to eat was 0. Cushion was, how much was that? $6. And then sinking funds was $55. Alright, so out of groceries, 100 minus 23 will equals to $77. Fun money, 100 minus 54 equals to $46. Cushion, we had 100 was $94. And then sinking funds, I have to go and check back how much we have. Let's see. We have $902. All right, so let's see. $847 is how much we have. All right, so real quick, we're just going to go over our envelope, which is the Dave Ramsey cash envelope. And we're just going to make sure that everything lines up. So in groceries, I should have $77. 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77. Gas, I should have $40. Fun money, I should have $46, which will probably be used for hair appointment this week. 20, 40, 45, 46. I will use my beauty envelope also. Alright, let's see. Out to eat has nothing. Cushion and sinking funds. Alright, you guys, so that is it. So that is our week 3 of our check-in. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know how many no-spend days that you have, and let's see if you can beat my 4 days. Maybe you had a whole week with no spend, so let's see how many no spends y'all have, and let me know if y'all have a channel also. And then be sure to subscribe and like, and just let me know that y'all are enjoying these. So I will see you guys later. Hopefully y'all have a great week. Thanksgiving is coming up, so I hope y'all are having a fantastic weekend, weekday, wherever you are, and I will see you guys later. Bye.